morning, YouTube family. We're heading into Aruba this morning. It's to be a really nice day, maybe a little bit of rain, but mid-80s, perfect day for the beach. We're going to Eagle Beach, hanging out. I'm planning to run there. That seems like a bad idea, but why not? Makes a cool Strava map, and somewhere I don't have a Strava map at before, so yeah, I mean, not very often you get a chance to run in Aruba, so let's do it. Just grabbing some coffee, thought I'd catch a sunrise. It's 6:37 a.m. and it looks like the sun's been up for well over an hour down here, but it's probably a different time zone or something too. But yeah, looking forward to a wonderful day in Aruba, and yeah, I'll show you around once we get there. Every boat has a ship token, and some are hard to find. This one's kind of hidden too. Aruba. We are at the cruise terminal. I'm going to catch a bus. You can see them right behind that white building. Get there. Take a bus to Eagle Beach. Commercial one stop. We made it!
Oh, never mind. Do you have your box?
Land ho! Aruba!
Welcome to Aruba, Nina. Marky, what are you doing today?
I'm going for a run.
You cray
Already
cray.
sweating.
Well, Dad, you sweat.
All right, I did my run, 5K, ran the whole first mile, then walk the last 2.1. It was great, but so hot and humid, and I stopped. We got 2 geocaches, so no records today, but first beer of the trip. That's Aruba. Got Dexter doing Dexter things. Alright, we're in Aruba. There's Eagle Beach behind me. Nina and I are exploring the blowholes. Second beer of the trip. Yeah. Beautiful day, a little overcast, but not going to complain about that.
Oh my God, Dad, you're gonna die.
Great.
Now we have dots. Oh, there's another one right next to it. Nina, what a good spot.
Oh, some of that. That's so fun. It feels so good.
You caught it? How'd you do that?
What happened?
Had a few beers at the beach. Saw there's a Taco Bell like a mile away, so we're walking there. Right, Aruba Taco Bell. I think Cora is. Got carnitas, quesadilla, fries, and a meat and fries burrito with jalapeno sauce. This carnitas burrito is so good. This is legit. This burrito, oh, it's so good. This quesadilla is so good. Yeah. Had maybe a couple more beers than I should have at the beach. Walked to Taco Bell. Now I see there's a geocache, so let's go do it. Alright, can we find the geocache? I think so. Suspicious pile of rocks here. Boom. One more in Aruba. Cheers. Horizon. Getting back on.
This? Oh yeah. Nina's cruise tip of the day. Even though the banana split isn't on the menu, you can still get it.
Free kisses. Crazy. Carnival Horizon.